Hello everyone, in this video we will try to understand electrical power and electrical energy. Let's get started. Power is how fast work is done when voltage causes current to flow in a circuit. The electrical power is given by the formula voltage into current generally. Let's take the same circuit from the previous video where we are having a 9-volt battery and a lamp connected across the circuit. And if we assume 1 ampere of current is flowing across the circuit to light up this particular lamp in the circuit, then the power consumed by the lamp and the circuit to the whole is nothing but 9 volt into 1 ampere is 9 watt. So 9 watt is the power consumed by the circuit. On the other hand, if you take electrical energy, it is nothing but total amount of electrical power consumed over a particular period of time. So electrical energy is given by the formula power into time. Let's take the same circuit as before. Here the light bulb is consuming 9 watt as discussed before. But if this light is glowing for 1 hour, then 9 watt into 1 hour is 9 watt hour is the electrical energy consumed. On the other words, you can make it as 0.009 unit is the electrical energy consumed. In every output device like laptop charger, LED light and sound bar, you will be able to see this watt rating, which means this is the wattage of power which can be dissipated from these particular devices. But in appliances like fridge, washing machine, dishwasher, you will be able to see this particular card in every other appliance, which will be telling us the amount of energy that is consumed by this particular appliances. On the other hand, if you take a laptop battery or any other battery, you will be able to see this particular amp hour or milliamp hour rating. In this battery, we have 2620 milliamp hour rating battery rated at 14.8 volt. And the watt hour of the battery is nothing but 41 watt hour. So this is the energy that you can consume from this particular battery. So this is the way you need to select the battery for your application or as per your appliances rating. I hope now you understood what is electrical power, what is electrical energy, and for more videos like this, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.